All right, welcome. All right, let me present. For discussion 5.4, we're showing a direct literacy practice that we do. I'm going to show you something that we're doing right here in our classroom, and I will be doing this third marking period. Okay. My direct instruction strategy is very easy. It's incredibly effective, though, especially when you think that the students that we are work with are only 5 and 6 years old. But since the pandemic, though, we've really been trying to use this type of teaching here at Anne Frank um, over the last few years. I plan on doing this lesson in science. This will be towards the end of the third marking period. The topic will be animals, and the subject matter proves to be very interesting for 5 and 6 year olds. They seem to be very interested in this type of work, of course. So here's how the lesson would go. Animals with kindergarten science. Very simple. Number one, we're going to create a anchor chart for display in the classroom. Philadelphia is very up on anchor charts. They expect you to have them all over, and we will make sure that we create one for this lesson. So I'll introduce the lesson, trying to activate some prior knowledge, asking children to do a think, pair, share to help differentiate with the ELL population. What we'll simply do is ask them to talk about animals, and we will create an anchor chart, which will be a simple list of animals. Then from there, I'm going to ask the children to open up their Chromebooks. They will navigate through the Philadelphia portal. They will go to the Google Classroom. From there, they will get over to their daily assignments. Believe it or not, the children are doing this. They will get to their Google Classroom, get their assignment, and then they will watch the attached video here, which is a really fun video. It's a Sesame Street Learn About Animals with Elmo at the zoo. They'll watch the video, they'll sit back, they'll relax. Very easy. At the end of the instruction, there will be a Google Doc attached to it. They will list their 5 favorite animals that they saw in the video, and then for your higher performing students, you'll ask them to do a sentence or two on what they liked or why they liked it. For differentiation, simply ask the ELL population to illustrate 5 animals as best they can. Review the answers with the class, have children share their favorite animal. They'll stand, they'll talk about 5 animals they saw, they'll say this one was my favorite, and they'll explain why that is. It's just that simple. I assume that this lesson would probably take 45 minutes to an hour. Again, the lesson does look very basic, and it is very basic, but it's an extremely effective direct instructional tool that we use here through the year. It allows the student to participate in the creation of an anchor chart, which stays in the class, so they feel that they have ownership of it. They watch an enjoyable, educational, it's funny video. It's a 20-minute video. They'll respond through their Google Classroom, so we're going to pull in a lot of technology here. And then at the end, we'll all come back together and we'll report out to the class. Simple, short, very direct, very effective lesson. Thank you.